Today, greeting from Marvel from the Tech. Today, I will introduce our water COD BOD TOC temperature turbidity file-in-one type sensor, and also with the handmeter and the millimeter and the meter to show the real-time date. And first, I will introduce the sensors, and that is based on the optical type and can measure the file parameters COD, BOD, TOC, turbidity, and temperature. Second, it is built in a brush, which can brush the sensor head in the set time and make sure it clean. And the third one, that is the IP68 waterproof. And when you receive it, you just put it into the water, then it can work. And that is the handmeter. And this handmeter, when you use it, you just connect it by the waterproof connector and then power on it. You can check it when power on, the brush will work. And it also will show the real-time date of the value, and when you power on it, and you can check it as it's not in the water, so the date or 0 and only show the temperature. And that is the value of the sensors. And the second, also this one supports the chargeable, and this is the charger. And also you can download first when you charge the sensor, you just insert it and then it can charge the sensor. Second, you can also download the data from this cable, and here is a port. Download the cable port, and you just insert it. And then you can download the date from this cable by Excel tab to see the real-time date. Okay, that introduce all this sensor, and also it can support the connection of the meter. This meter can show the real-time date of the file parameters, and also here is the connection. And first, that is it needs support 220 voltage AC to power on it. Second, it also supports RF for the file output, and that is this cable is for the RF for the file A and B for the output. And this cable just connected to the sensors, and you can check it. That is the sensor positive, sensor negative, and the sensor RS for the file A and the sensor RS for file B. And so when you need use this handmeter, when you use this meter, and what you need to do is just remove this cable and connect it by this cable. Okay, and just connect it, and then it can work. So the meter will read the date from the sensors and also support another RF for the file output from this cable. And just the power on it is okay. And then here after you power it, here is the matched cover, and just cover it, and also that is the fixed and for you. And you so the cable can be come out from here, and that is also the waterproof connector, and that introduce all this meter. And also here is the standard solution, and when you we have made the celebration already, and when you use it, you can make the second celebration for the long time, and that is the 3 celebration solution. And so in the future you can use it to make the celebration by the RF for the file instruction. And how to connect it with the PCN, we also send some spare cables, and that is the cable which you can connect the sensor to the PCN, and that is RF for the file to USB connector. Insert the PCN, and here it connected to the sensor, and then you can make the celebration by the Modbus also in the PCN, and that introduce all this whole system. And also here is the case used for take this handmeter. And if you have a problem, just send us inquiry. Thank you.